A leader in Utah healthcare now has a new administrator. I'm here with Blair Kent, Intermountain Medical Center's new administrator. Congratulations and thank you so much for being here.
You bet. Thank you.
You are, although not new to Intermountain Healthcare, in fact, you have spent a career there.
I have. I've been with Intermountain for about 26 years, and most recently at Riverton Hospital and Alta Hospital, so not new to Intermountain Healthcare at all.
You've been juggling both of these hospitals, and now you have one concentration. How does it feel, and what are what's your vision?
First, it's great to be back to the medical center, and as it opened in '07, I think the vision still stays the same. We want to be a leader in quality and safety, as everyone comes to rely on, but also be able to provide those unique things, transplant or cardiac, as well as the common things like babies, and something that people rely on daily.
You have such an expertise and a important staff around you, but one other thing that you guys do very well are studies and research, right?
Yeah, one of the great elements at the medical center is we have incredibly detailed and smart researchers that do everything from pulmonary to cardiology, and not only does it keep us in front of the things, but it helps us get better at doing what we do every day.
Intermountain Medical Center has been there in Murray. Everyone knows the buildings. And they just celebrated 10 years. What's in the future for the next 10 years, do you see?
Yeah, I would believe two things are in the future for us. One is to continue to fill the role that the communities need. And I think that's two specific things. One is for the really complicated things, the worst unexpected injuries or illnesses, and then to be there for the community, emergency room and common things. So I think that's part of it. But the second thing is, I think our responsibility is to continue to push what healthcare should be with access, affordability, quality, and safety, and do things that we haven't been doing in the past, and get better because healthcare sometimes is complicated, and it doesn't need to be.
We completed a 5-part series just months ago on transplants and how important it is. In fact, you guys are a sponsor of the Transplant Games coming up very shortly.
Yeah, in the 1st of August, the 2nd through the 7th, we have the privilege of participating. And so all of the recipients of transplants, and that goes from heart to any other organ that they participated in, it's a great way to bring healthy people that are there because of the sacrifice and the commitment of other people. So unique for Utah to host, and certainly a privilege for Intermountain to be part of that.
And then what's also great is people at home who are patients can get access to doctors and clinicians through their phones, all that cutting edge technology you guys are working on.
Yeah, back to what I said of, one of the hardest things for healthcare is providing the appropriate access and the right place at the right time. And for most of us with smartphones and everything else, that's a part of our lives. So we've tried to put that out there so people can do it at their convenience and at their home.
All right, thank you so much. Blair Kent, the new administrator coming home. Welcome home.
Thank you.
All right, coming up.